In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Miro. If you're brand new to Miro, think of it as a big, flexible online whiteboard where you can add text, shapes, and ideas and arrange them exactly how you want. In just a few minutes, you'll go from a blank canvas to adding clear, readable text on your board. Start by heading to Miro.com in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the home base for all your boards. Give the page a second to finish loading so you can see your workspace options clearly. If you're coming back to an existing team space, you'll see your recent boards. If not, don't worry. Starting fresh is quick and easy. Next, create a new canvas by choosing Add Blank Board. This opens a clean, empty board so you can focus on your content without distractions. Miro may ask you to pick a team or a location for the board depending on your setup. After that, your board will open and you'll see a white infinite canvas ready for your ideas. Now let's add text to the board. Look to the toolbar on the left and select the text tool. It's represented by a T icon. With the text tool active, click once anywhere on the board to place your text box. You'll see a cursor appear inside the box, and the box itself will have small handles around it. You can drag the box to reposition it, and you can pull the corners to adjust its size so your words fit the way you want. With your text box placed, start typing. Enter a title, a label, or a quick note, whatever you need. As you type, a small formatting bar will appear near the text box, showing basic options like size and alignment so your text stays readable and consistent. If your text runs long, just keep typing. The box will expand as needed. When you're done typing, click outside the box to finish. If you want to make an adjustment, click the text again to re-enter editing mode. To keep things tidy, place each idea in its own text box so you can move and arrange them freely on the board later. That's it. You went to Miro.com, created a new blank board, selected the text tool, and placed it on the canvas, and typed your text. With those basics in place, you're ready to build out your board and turn a blank space into a clear, shareable set of notes and ideas.